Understanding out-of-pocket expenses, a comprehensive guide. Out-of-pocket expenses are a crucial aspect of personal finance, whether you're managing business costs or navigating health insurance. Understanding these expenses can help you budget more effectively and avoid unexpected financial strain. This guide delves deep into what out-of-pocket expenses are, their types, and how they impact your finances. What are out-of-pocket expenses? Out-of-pocket expenses refer to costs that an individual pays directly, which may or may not be reimbursed later. The term is predominantly used in two contexts. 1. Work-related expenses. These are costs incurred by an employee during work, which the employer usually reimburses upon submission of expense reports. 2. Healthcare expenses. Under health insurance policies, out-of-pocket expenses refer to the portion of medical costs that the policyholder has to pay for, which includes deductibles, copays, and coinsurance. Key takeaways. Definition: payments made directly from your own funds that may be reimbursed. Types: can be associated with work and health insurance. Limits: health plans have mandated out-of-pocket maximums to protect policyholders. Tax deductions: certain out-of-pocket expenses might be eligible for tax deductions. Understanding the different types of out-of-pocket expenses. Work-related expenses. Employees often incur various out-of-pocket expenses while performing their job duties, particularly when traveling for work. Common examples include airfare, lodging, meals, gas, tolls, and parking fees. Work supplies and tools. These expenses are typically reimbursed by the employer, provided they follow a company-approved reimbursement process. Healthcare expenses. In the healthcare realm, out-of-pocket expenses encompass deductibles, the amount paid out of pocket before the insurance company starts to contribute. Copays, fixed amounts paid for specific services after the deductible is met. Coinsurance, the percentage of costs you pay after meeting your deductible. Out-of-pocket maximums. Health insurance plans are required by law to have out-of-pocket maximums. For instance, the limits for 2023 are: individual plans, $9,100. Family plans, $18,200. Once you reach these limits, your health plan pays 100% of the costs for covered services for the rest of the year. High deductible health plans, HDHPs. HDHPs are increasingly popular due to their lower premiums. These plans come with higher deductibles but provide notable benefits, such as 100% coverage for preventive services from in-network providers. Eligibility to contribute to health savings accounts, HSAs, for tax-free withdrawals for qualified medical expenses. For 2023, a plan qualifies as an HDHP if it has a deductible of at least $1,500 for individual plans. $3,000 for family plans. Examples of out-of-pocket expenses. Work-related scenario. Suppose an employee takes a business trip and spends $250 on airfare, $100 on a hotel stay, $50 on Uber rides, $100 on meals. In total, the employee incurs $500 in out-of-pocket expenses, which they later submit for reimbursement. Healthcare scenario. Consider Lisa, who has a $2,500 combined deductible. After paying $2,350 in qualified medical expenses, she needs medication that costs $150. Since she hasn't met her deductible, she pays the full $150 out of pocket, but it helps her reach her deductible limit for the year. Additional types of out-of-pocket expenses. Outside of healthcare, the term out-of-pocket expense may apply in other domains like real estate and moving. Real estate expenses. Homebuyers often face out-of-pocket expenses during the purchasing process, which may include home inspection fees, appraisal costs, Closing costs, including attorney fees and property taxes. Moving expenses. Historically, moving expenses were deductible for taxpayers relocating for work, but the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, TCJA, of 2017 suspended this for most taxpayers until 2025, with exceptions for military members. Tax implications. Some out-of-pocket expenses can be deducted on your income taxes, such as unreimbursed medical expenses or charitable donations. It's essential to understand the current tax rules and thresholds to maximize potential deductions. Notable exclusions. It's important to note that the monthly premiums for your health insurance plan are not considered out-of-pocket expenses. Only costs for medical services not covered by insurance fall under this category. Making informed decisions. When selecting a health insurance plan, assessing your predicted medical expenses, premiums, deductibles, and out-of-pocket maximums is crucial. Evaluate your healthcare needs alongside potential changes in your life circumstances for long-term financial health. Conclusion. Understanding out-of-pocket expenses is vital for effective personal finance management. With careful budgeting and a clear understanding of the various types of these expenses, whether work-related or healthcare-related, you can better prepare for both expected and unexpected costs. Remember, being informed about your options allows you to secure the best plan for your needs while maximizing potential reimbursements and tax deductions.